Hi, I'm Bob Patterson,
And I'm Wendy Patterson.
and we're here today to talk to you a little bit about a great workshop that we're doing that is about contracting in relationships.
We're going to approach this work out of our idea that making good contracts, conscious contracts, is an ethical, important step in doing good therapy. We know we always make good contracts or have contracts, and we think a lot of what goes wrong in relationships is that the contracts expire. So this workshop is an ethical-based workshop around what we have learned and what we think is important to know about good therapeutic contracts between a therapist and a couple, but also between two people in a relationship.
We'll also be covering contracting in relationships that are outside of a committed relationship, like a business relationship, and how to be a good contractor in those kind of relationships. A lot to learn there about how we can help ourselves and help our clients be clear about expectations and the exciting possibilities.
Come join us.